Imagine this, your perfectly crafted AI generated essay instantly rejected because it screams AI written. What if I told you there is a foolproof way to make your AI content look like it's straight from a human mind? Today I am spilling the secret to bypass every ChatGPT detector out there. We've all been there, stuck for hours trying to perfect that blog post, email draft, or report. And then comes AI, your secret productivity hack, only to betray you with content flagged as fake or AI generated. It's like having the answers to the test but failing because your handwriting gives it away. But what if I told you there's a way to outsmart the system? A way to turn AI generated content into human written magic. The secret lies in not just using AI, but instructing it to think and write like a human. And today I'll guide you through the exact steps to craft flawless AI content, refine it to bypass every detector, and even generate a completely undetectable text from start to finish. First, let's test how AI content fares on its own. So for this demo, let's ask ChatGPT to write a 100-word long paragraph on the topic quantum physics. Now let's test it against the AI detectors. So 0GPT says it's 100% AI generated. Now let's test it with Quillbot. And it also says it's 100% AI generated. No surprises here. Raw AI output is easy to spot. Why? Because it lacks human-like imperfections, tone variations, and that subtle unpredictability in sentence structure. Now let's take it up a notch. With a little guidance, we'll instruct ChatGPT to mimic human quirks. Things like adding short, abrupt sentences, mixing formal and casual tones, using storytelling instead of rigid formatting, and making subtle grammatical mistakes. Now for this free method, we'll ask ChatGPT to modify the response. We'll ask it to add short and abrupt sentences, mix formal and casual tones together. We'll ask it to use storytelling approach, and we'll also ask it to make subtle grammatical mistakes. So let's see how is the response. Now let's run against our AI detectors. So you can see it has reduced the AI generated content by 73% by just modifying our prompt. And now let's run it against the Quillbot. This also says it's 50% AI generated, and it has mentioned the paragraph where it feels that AI generated content is there. Better, but not perfect. So how do we hit 99% or 100%? Here's the foolproof way. Now for this method, we'll be using a tool called Uncheck AI, which makes the content undetectable by all major AI detectors. And you can see it makes the content undetectable by AI detectors like Originality AI, GPT-0, 0GPT, Winston AI, Quillbot, Turnitin, which is used by major organizations. So let's give it the original paragraph that was generated by ChatGPT. You can see there are three options where you have instant, which is for fast writing, and then you have precise, which retains the original meaning, and then you have advanced, which is able to beat the toughest AI detectors. So for this method, we'll be using advanced because we are looking for 100% humanization. So let's see how it performs. So this is the content it has generated. So after generating the output, it runs through all the major AI detectors and gives you if it is written by human or AI and if it has been detected by any detector. So let's run it through our detectors. First is 0GPT. So you can see it is saying that it's 0% AI. It's all human written. Now again, let's run it against Quillbot. So Quillbot also says that it's 0% and it's human written. So this is the foolproof method. First method, although it's free, it's not 100% foolproof. But if you are looking for a tool which can make your assignments or your mails or your content which is penalized by search engines for being AI generated, you can use this tool. So this makes me curious how the new Claude style update fares against AI detection. That's for the next video.